Hey everyone, welcome to the Finance Life. Today, let's look into some of the advanced Excel text functions. And of which, first one is upper function. Upper function basically helps us to convert all the text on the cell into the upper case. So if we see here, upper, open the bracket and select the cell and close the bracket and click on the enter. Now you can see all the text in this cell now being converted to the uppercase. If we copy the formula to the cells down the below, and you can see all these text is now being converted to capital letters. And similar to that, the lower function will help us to convert all the letters in this cell to the lower case. If we write the formula lower, open the bracket and select the text and close the bracket, click on the enter. Now you can see here R and M now converted to the small case. And let's copy the formula to the cells down the below. And now you can see in the Rowan Murphy, R and M capital letters now converted to the small letters. And now third one is proper function. The proper function helps us to insert the capital letters wherever it is required. The Excel will understand the text in the cell and it will insert the capital letters wherever it is required. So let's try to write this formula. Proper, open the bracket and select the text and close the bracket, click on the enter. Now on the Rowan Murphy, uh, Excel now inserted the capital letters at the starting of the first name and the starting of the second name. And if we copy the formula to the down the below, and you can see Excel now inserted the capital letters wherever it is required. And also, it also, if you can see in the Ellis Turner, R is a capital letter that is also now being converted to the small letter. So that means the proper function will helps us to uh, format the text in the cell into a more meaningful way. This is for today. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to comment on the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.